Hey, there's Kim. There's Jason. There's Jen. Melanie. Goof Troop. Lisa. Debbie. Carol. Cable Guy. Bobby. We were just in there, whoop, all the way up. And look how it's lit up. Mary Ellen would call that Epcot purple. In fact, we're so close, and it's such a massive... We did have a great night. Just a nice... This is what being a Orlando area local is all about, is being able to get out of work early, come over to Epcot, walk around, have some fun, go on some attractions. We did not have any spectacular dinners. We actually had a really good lunch today, so we thought we'd come out here and walk some of it off. Here, I'm going to go into portrait mode just so you can see it in its entirety. The massive geodesic sphere of Spaceship Earth. But I prefer the way it looks that way. Here, we'll go a little closer. Love how they can light it up in the evening. It's dusk outside. It didn't rain on us, and the overcast made for a really cool evening. Very enjoyable. I did not get the Osmo Mobile 4 yet. I already have the Osmo Mobile 3. I feel like I just got that. But I'm excited. I'll probably get it soon. There's a lot of big birthdays coming up in September that I need to help celebrate. So I can't really be buying toys for myself right now. And this is what's so amazing about Spaceship Earth. It is truly a sculpture not on the round, but you go underneath it. How many pieces of art, how many buildings do you actually get to go underneath? You can get lost in the patterns. Mary Ellen, how many sculptures, how many buildings do you get to actually go underneath?
Not a lot. Underneath, that's a good question.
Like not a basement. We're under it.
That's a good question. It's really quite a masterpiece.
I will. So if anyone wanted to ride it right now, there's no wait. It'd be the perfect opportunity. And here you can see, finally, in all its glory, behind the work walls, the new Alucobond. No, not Alucobond. That's those are Alucobond. This is plexiglass. But these fountain spires, just like they had in '82 when the place opened. Let me show them that. Oh, just amazing. And you can see these spires have the original Epcot logo adorned on them. Sadly, no monorails on the tracks. All right. No, in fact, Jeff, this was a bonus day for us. We weren't planning on this, but it was spur of the moment, last minute, and we have to take a little bit of a break. There's a Resi
Thank you for
grabbing.
visiting us today. Just a few reminders. Please wear a face covering
Here's
at
Captain
all times,
Buzzkill.
except when actively eating or drinking while stationary. Clean your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing.
Where's my wife?
Thank you.
Yeah, this guy. Okay. I've seen a discussion on Twitter. Are these benches new? I don't think so. I remember these from at least a year ago. But someone said, oh, there's new benches in the front of Epcot. But I think these have been around for a while. You've never seen them before. Well, they've been around long enough for there to be the Disney Bears. I thought the Disney Bears was a guy and a gal in Disneyland. Yeah, you know, this is one of those things where I feel like I remember one time sitting, getting ready for a stream. Boy, that tree just really blocks that view. So I don't think those are new. Yeah, I can't recall either. I don't think they are, though, so it's just one of those things. You don't think they're new because you remember tying your shoe on them. I think I remember that. Man, I do wish the monorails were coming through here. That just, this is I would call this Future World entrance plaza. You can see there's the main ticket entrance and exit there. I feel like this is like a little no man's land. Like nobody goes over here. But people say, I think it's an expense. I think they're just running the monorail Ticket and Transportation Center in the hotel loop line, but not to Epcot. Probably a matter of cost savings. It is looking retro, and it's finally free of the tombstones. And as you can see, the fountain that's still under construction has the new plexiglass prisms, just like Epcot 82, with the original Epcot logo. Shorter run time, and it's more integral to the operations to have those. Yeah, we need to get back to normal real soon. You could just, like I said, you can just get lost in the colors and shapes.
Okay, sorry.
He's right. The golf ball, Spaceship Earth, a geodesic dome, a sculpture on the round. It never gets old. You're at Epcot. It is pretty. This is just such a sight to behold at night. I think we did it all. Looks like we made it. Now, new minds, fresh ideas. Mr. Disney said that these parks aren't to be museums.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks. I'll take what you got going on. Well, you can see the sun has just, it's going from dusk to dark. What time do you have? 8:07 p.m. Park's open for 8:09. Park's open for another less than an hour, but we're gonna head on out. You'll never ride it again? Why not? They're gonna refurbish it. It'll be back. Yeah, Jeff, but the thing with the Universal Pass is that they don't come with the parking, so I think what we're going to do is just wait till early next year, and when I get my tax refund, I'm going to use that money towards those, so it's not coming out of, like, the normal budget. Remember, Christmas is coming up, too. Hey, thank you, guys. That's true. Next time it'll be closed at 7. It'll have to become a weekend park for us. We'll have to get out early, real early from work. A dream. Yeah, November 1st, you have to go from 11 to 7. Well, we just did a couple of ride scopes and saying hi. Nothing too fancy today.
You gonna leave that
We'll
on?
take a quick break and we'll come back from the car. Hey, Dr. Cho. What makes you say that? He's got a problem.
No? Vomiting or anything, right?
Nah.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Come on, you can be a better troll than that. Try a little harder.
Oh, I got a weak one?
Yeah.
Weak ones are worse, because you want to practice your wit.
Yeah, but I mean, just giving us low-hanging fruit, literally.
You're going to be a troll, be witty about it.
If you're going to be a troll, don't be an English as a second language troll.
Good night, Fred.
Hey, have a good one.
Thank you for coming to Disney.
Absolutely. Do you have any, like, proof of that? Is this anecdotal? Is this something you heard down at the bar?
Read it on Twitter.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.